The fear gauge just hit 29, and that's when the best opportunities happen. Let's break it down. Hey everyone, so here's where we are right now with XRP. We're sitting at $1.0181, down about 0.23% in the last 24 hours. Now, I know that doesn't sound exciting, but here's what caught my attention. We're trading 23% below that 200-day moving average at $1.31. That's a big gap, and you know what I've noticed? When gaps get this wide, things tend to snap back eventually. Let me show you the technical picture, because this is where it gets interesting. The RSI is at 34.36, which means we're getting close to oversold territory. That's usually when the smart money starts paying attention. Now, the MACD is still bearish at minus 0.0208, but here's the thing. The momentum is actually weakening. And get this, we're finding support right at the lower Bollinger Band, around $1.01. When price hugs that lower band like this, it's often setting up for a bounce. On the macro side, XRP is showing some really strong correlations that we need to watch. There's a negative 89% correlation with the S&P 500 right now. What that means is when stocks go up, XRP has been going down. But here's the flip side. When fear comes into traditional markets, that money might start looking for alternatives. The dollar correlation is also negative at 71%, so if the dollar weakens, that could be rocket fuel for XRP. Now the regulatory front is, well, it's quiet, which is actually good news sometimes, but I did notice something concerning in the ETF flows. We're seeing $14.2 million in net outflows across all XRP ETFs. That's institutions pulling money out, and that's been weighing on the price. If this passes, though, and sentiment shifts, those same institutions might come rushing back in. The mood right now is pretty grim, honestly. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 29, which screams extreme fear. But you know what? That's exactly when contrarian investors start getting excited. When everyone's scared, that's usually when the best buying opportunities appear. I've seen this pattern so many times before. The big players are doing something interesting. We're seeing 289 whale transactions moving over 8.7 billion XRP. That's 99.99% of all trading volume coming from whales. Now, this could go either way, but with those ETF outflows, it feels like we might be seeing some final capitulation from the big holders. In plain English, the Elliott Wave pattern suggests we're in the final part of a correction wave, what they call Wave C. The Wyckoff analysis shows we're in a markdown phase. But here's the thing. We might be approaching what's called a spring pattern. That's when price drops one last time before shooting back up. It's like a final shakeout before the real move begins. So what does the AI think? Well, this is where it gets exciting. The short-term prediction shows $1.18 with a 63.5% probability. That's a 16% gain from here. But wait, the 7-day prediction is calling for $1.78 with a 97.6% confidence level. That would be a 75% pump from current levels. Even the 30-day target of $1.55 shows 87% confidence for a 53% gain. Those are some pretty bullish numbers. But here's what could go wrong. Those ETF outflows could accelerate, creating more selling pressure. We're still in a technical downtrend, 23% below key levels. And if the dollar strengthens or stocks rally hard, XRP could get left behind. The whale activity is a double-edged sword too. If they decide to dump, it could get ugly fast. Okay, so here's my take. I'm seeing a limited buy opportunity here. The AI predictions are compelling, especially that 97.6% confidence on the 7-day target. My entry zone would be $1 to $1.02, right where we are now. First target at $1.18. Second target at $1.55. But I'd set my stop loss at 95 cents, just below that Bollinger Band support. If you're going to play this, maybe do 50% of your position at $1.02, 30% at $1, and save 20% for 98 cents if we get that final dip. That's it for today. This setup looks interesting, but always remember to manage your risk. If this analysis helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more market insights. See you next time.